We're trying to set up the Z21 Roco system. So what I have done is I've plugged in into the back everything where it's supposed to go. It's plugged into the LAN port. Plugged into one of the LAN ports up there. Everything's plugged in. So then, after doing that, I got the pin number off of the bottom. Pin number is here. I got that off of there. Went to my tablet. Oops. Wi-Fi. Go here. Z21 is right here. Go there. Wait for connect. Go back. Fire up the Z21 app. Right now, we're waiting. Okay, now you'll notice there is a Roco Fleischmann BR221 here on the track. If I've already taken a photo and everything, I've got this all set up. Oops. If I go to try to make it go, note it will not move. It's dead. However, we know that this is connected because if I press the all stop button up here, it actually does go into stop mode. So it is most definitely receiving a signal. If we go back also, let's also go to the newer version of the app. Same thing. We'll go here. Here's the locomotive. Nothing. And yet, once again, if I press the all stop, adding to this is the fact that if I go to settings, go to information, Z21 settings, we can see that the app is actually receiving information because it's actually showing that there are, 18 milliamps going to the track. So there's definitely things being received back and forth between the two. Now, I have here a multiMAUS. Let's go here. Watch what happens. The multiMAUS can control it, and the app actually shows what's going on. Let's go back to the old version of the app. Same thing. The green goes up as it moves. In fact, we can even turn the lights on. We can't turn them on here. They don't work here. But if we turn the lights on here, boom, they go on. Here they are. Turn them off and on, and you'll see the app actually shows this. But you cannot control it from the app. Let's go back to the new version again and also show how if we go to settings, Z21 settings, if I start to control the BR221 from the multiMAUS, you will actually see these numbers change as it gets power. Goes to 38 milliamps, 39, so on. In fact, it will even change if I turn on the lights. I turn on the lights, it goes from 18 up to 45. Then if I start traveling it, it goes from 45 up to 70. So these things are all obviously connected, but for some reason still can't control the locomotive from the app itself. It can only be controlled from the multiMAUS. Once again, let me reiterate, this is all Roco Fleischmann stuff. This is Roco track. This is the cable that came with it. This is the 101841, I believe the number is, whatever it is, with the code from Roco, Z21start, multiMAUS. I've unplugged it. I've turned it off and on without this. I've unplugged the whole thing. And I also did, in fact, go to the updater, downloaded that, and we can even see right here that my firmware is up to date. If we want to connect just in case, and it says right there, your Z21start has firmware version 1.33, is up to date. So everything that I could possibly do has been done. So, how do we solve this problem? I would like to know.